fellow souls. Another day to be grateful. Houston, Texas. Very different from Las Vegas. A lot of homeless here, even just by my hotel. Going to the gas station to get waters and see them. Hung out with one of them the other day for a while. It's always, it's the homeless, or it seems the closest to God, to Jesus or whatever. Like they have him in their hearts, and they're happy to talk about him and have fellowship, you know, speak their blessings and their gratitudes. It's such a wonderful thing. Anyway, you are loved. Thanks for watching.